Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Mr. J, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi, Mr. J, and hello to all our listeners. I'm really excited today because the sun is shining and it feels like summer.
It really does, May, and that is perfect because today we're talking about a favorite place for many people, the beach.
Oh, I love the beach. The sand, the water, the ice cream. It's the best. But, Mr. J, when I go to the beach in a different country, I sometimes get nervous because I don't know the right English words.
Don't worry, May. This is where most learners make a mistake. They think they need very difficult words, but simple English is usually better. Today, we're going to learn everything you need to enjoy a day by the sea.
That sounds great. I'm ready to learn.
Before we dive into the water, May, do you want to tell our listeners how they can support us?
Oh, yes. If you enjoy our lessons, please remember to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Thank you, May. Now, let's start with our beach bag. This part is really important because if you forget these things, your day at the beach might be difficult. May, what's the first thing you put in your bag?
Well, I always bring my, how do you say it? The sun water? The cream for my skin?
Close. We call that sunscreen. Some people also say suntan lotion, but sunscreen is very common.
Sunscreen. Okay, I need a lot of sunscreen because I don't want a sunburn.
Exactly. A sunburn is when your skin turns red and hurts because of the sun. You're going to like this simple trick. Always look for the SPF number on the bottle. The higher the number, the better the protection.
That's a good tip. I also bring my beach shoes, the ones that are open and made of plastic.
Those are called flip-flops.
Flip-flops? That's a funny name. Why are they called that?
Think about the sound they make when you walk on the street. Flip, flop, flip, flop.
That makes sense. Flip-flops. I'm wearing my flip-flops right now.
Good. Now, what do you sit on when you're on the sand? Do you bring a chair?
Sometimes, but usually I just use a big towel. A beach towel.
Yes, a beach towel is usually much bigger than a bathroom towel. And here is a word many students forget. Sunglasses.
Oh, I always forget that word. I usually just say eyeglasses.
Careful there, May. Glasses are for reading, but sunglasses are dark to protect your eyes from the bright light.
Sunglasses. Got it. So I have my sunscreen, my flip-flops, my towel, and my sunglasses in my bag. Am I ready?
Almost. You need one more thing to keep your head cool.
A hat.
Perfect. A sun hat. Now we're ready to walk to the water.
Let's go. I can see the waves already.
The waves are the moving parts of the water that come to the land. They can be small or very big.
I like small waves. Big waves are a bit scary for me.
That's okay, May. We'll stay where it's safe.
Mr. J, what do we call the place where the water meets the sand? Is it just the water?
You can call it the shore or the coast, but usually people just say, let's go down to the water's edge.
The water's edge. I like that. It sounds poetic.
It does. We have a lot more to talk about, like swimming and beach activities, but let's take a breath first.
Yes, I need to write these words down in my notebook. I'm ready with my notebook, Mr. J. I have my beach bag, my sunglasses, and my hat. Now I want to go into the water.
Excellent. But wait a moment, May. Before you jump in, what are you wearing to swim?
Oh, I am wearing my swimming dress?
That's a cute way to say it, but actually we call that a swimsuit. Or sometimes you can say a bathing suit.
Swimsuit. Okay, let me write that down. SWIMSUIT. And for you, Mr. J, do you wear a swimsuit too?
Men usually wear swimming trunks or just trunks. They look like short pants.
Trunks. Like an elephant's nose?
The word is the same, but the meaning is very different. This is where most learners make a mistake. They forget that men and women usually use different words for their swimming clothes. Just remember, swimsuit for women and trunks for men.
Okay, I will remember. Swimsuit for me, trunks for you. Now, can we go to the sand? I want to lie down.
Of course. What do you like to do when you lie on your towel? Do you like to read?
Sometimes, but usually I just like the sun. I want my skin to be, what is the word? Not white, but a little bit brown?
You want to get a tan. We call this activity sunbathing.
Sunbathing. I like that word. It's like taking a bath in the sun.
It really is. You're going to like this next part because it's about a very relaxing activity. Many people love to walk slowly along the water to look for things. What do you look for, May?
I like to look for those little white things, the houses for small sea animals.
We call those shells.
Shells, yes. I love collecting shells. I have a big jar of them at my house.
That's wonderful. Many people walk along the shoreline to find them. The shoreline is exactly where the water touches the sand.
Shoreline. Is that different from the beach?
Well, the beach is the whole area, but the shoreline is just that wet part at the edge. Let me show you a simple trick for your vocabulary. When the water is a little bit cold, but it feels good because the weather is hot, we say the water is refreshing.
Refreshing. That's a big word, but it sounds nice. The water is refreshing.
Perfect. This part is really important too. When you are on the sand, you might want to build something. Do you know what children usually build?
Oh, I know this. A sand castle.
Exactly. And to build a good sandcastle, you need two tools. You need a bucket to hold the water and sand, and a spade to dig.
A bucket and a spade? I usually call it a big spoon.
A spade is like a very small shovel. You use the spade to fill the bucket with wet sand. Then you turn it over. Pop! You have a tower for your castle.
Bucket and spade. Got it. I'm going to build the biggest sand castle on the shoreline.
I'd love to see that. But May, we must also think about safety. Do you see that person sitting in the very tall chair?
Yes, the person with the whistle. Are they the beach police?
Not exactly. We call that person a lifeguard. Their job is to watch the water and keep everyone safe.
A lifeguard. That's a good name because they guard our lives.
It is. If you ever feel scared in the water or if you're not sure if it's safe to swim, you should always talk to the lifeguard.
That's a very good tip, Mr. J. I'll go and say hello to the lifeguard first.
That's a great idea. Now, are you ready to try a practice conversation?
Yes, I'm ready to use my new words.
Great. Let's imagine we are at the beach together.
I'm ready, Mr. J. Let's start our practice. Oh, look at the ocean. The beach is so beautiful today, and the sun is so bright.
It really is a lovely day, May. The sky is very clear. Where do you think we should put our towels?
Let's go over there near that big blue umbrella. It looks like a nice spot with some shade.
That's a great idea. Having some shade is very helpful so we don't get too hot under the sun.
Okay, I'm putting my towel down on the sand right here. Now I need to put on my sun cream. My sunscreen.
Well done. You corrected yourself. Sunscreen is the most common word we use.
Don't forget to put some on your shoulders and your nose. Those are the places that get a sunburn very quickly.
Yes, I don't want to have a bright red nose like a tomato. Mr. J, can you help me with this umbrella? It's a bit heavy and the wind is blowing.
Of course I can. This part is really important. When you put an umbrella in the sand, you have to push it down very deep and turn it. If you don't, the wind might blow it away.
Oh, I see. Thank you for helping me. Now I'm going to put on my sunglasses and my sun hat. Now I really look like I'm on vacation.
You certainly do. So, May, what would you like to do first? Should we sit and relax or go to the water?
I really want to go for a swim. Is the water cold today?
I'm not sure. Let's walk down to the shoreline and find out together.
Ouch! Ouch! The sand is very hot. It's burning my feet.
This is where most learners make a mistake. They forget that the sand can get very hot in the afternoon. Quick, put your flip-flops back on until we get closer to the water.
You're right. My flip-flops are back on now. That's much better. Okay, now we are at the water's edge. The water is touching my toes.
And how does it feel? Is it freezing?
No, it's not freezing. It's... Oh, what was that word you taught me? It's refreshing.
Perfect! You use the word perfectly. It's refreshing because it feels cool and good against the hot sun.
Let me show you a simple trick, Mr. J. If you look down into the clear water, you can see things on the bottom. Look, I found a very small, pretty shell. It's bright pink.
That's a beautiful shell, May. You should put it in your bucket so you don't lose it.
I will. I want to collect many shells today. Oh, look over there. There is a big sign on a pole near the Lifeguard tower. What does it say?
What say? It says, no surfing in this area. That means this part of the water is only for people who are swimming.
Oh, that's good to know. I don't want a surfboard to hit me while I'm swimming.
That is definitely a good thing to avoid. You're gonna like this one. After we finish our swim, I think we should go and find something to eat. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry. Swimming makes me want to eat. Can we get some chips or maybe a nice ice cream?
We can find a small cafe or a snack bar on the boardwalk. The boardwalk is that wooden path next to the beach where all the shops are.
A boardwalk. That sounds like a wonderful place to walk and maybe eat a chocolate ice cream.
It is. But before we go, let's practice one more thing. If you need to find the toilets or a place to change, do you know what to ask?
Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Or where is the toilet?
Those are both correct. At the beach, you might also hear people ask for the changing rooms. That's where you can go to put on your swimsuit or get dressed after swimming.
Changing rooms. I'll remember that. I used the changing rooms when we first arrived at the beach today.
Excellent. You're using all the new vocabulary very well. You're a natural, May.
Thank you, Mr. J. I feel much more confident now. But we learned so many words today. Can we review them?
That is a great idea. Let's do a quick recap. We talked about things in our bag, like sunscreen, sunglasses, and towels.
And my favorite, flip-flops.
Yes, those are essential. We also learned about what to wear, like a swimsuit for women and trunks for men.
And we talked about the water. We learned about the shoreline, the waves, and how the water can be refreshing.
Exactly. And don't forget the people who keep us safe, like the lifeguard, and the things children build, like sand castles using a bucket and a spade.
I remember. This was such a fun lesson. I feel like I am really at the beach right now.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, May. You did a fantastic job today.
Before we go, I have a question for our listeners.
Go ahead, May.
We want to know, what is the one thing you always bring to the beach? Is it a book, a special snack, or maybe a big umbrella? Tell us in the comments.
That's a wonderful question. We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you for listening to us today, everyone.
Yes, thank you. Keep practicing your English, and we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.